Well, hello Story Chasers, this is Amber and I'm coming to you today from a campground in New York. Been up here in the upstate New York area for a while now and really loving the campgrounds here. But today we're going to review this Grand Design Imagine behind us. It's my friend's RV, so you're gonna see some of his stuff inside of the RV, but it's a beautiful, beautiful RV and more in line with something that I'm looking for. All right guys, let's get started. So this is the Grand Design Imagine 22 MLE. It's 22 feet long in the box and 26 feet long from the end to the tip where the hitch is at. So first things first, we're gonna start on the outside. So we have two propane tanks in here, 20 pounds each. We have the electronic tongue jack here where you can put the jack down very easily. I actually watched him unhitch the other day and it was actually pretty easy. I was really impressed with how easily this all came together. We have one wet cell marine battery here. That's your house battery. He's got some storage here. This is actually the magnetic catch as well, so the door stays up and doesn't bang you in the head. He's a weekender, so he has his stuff in here, but hopefully you can see that this is a pass through that goes all the way to the other side. You can see how much stuff you can get inside the storage. Down here we have manual stabilizer jacks, of course 4, one on each side. He uses this handy duty tool, which I saw him use, to get those down or up. We have the aluminum steps that fold in and out here. We have the potable water fill here. Right, we have an outdoor cable connection here if you have cable. We also have 2 AC outlets as well. It's nice for when you want to charge stuff outside. So here we have the black tank flush and the spray port, which allows you to connect the hose and do an outdoor shower, spray your dogs off, your feet if you get dirty. You can see this awning is very substantial. It's very, very sturdy. It's automatic with a button inside. On the back end, we have the bumper that actually is storage for your hoses, which is nice. You don't have to put it inside your storage bay. We have a spare tire, which he's an amazing fan of story chasing, so we got a cover for him that has a story chasing logo on it. A 30 amp plug. We also have the outdoor ladder, gets you up to the rooftop so you can do your maintenance. Down here we have, well, the beautiful area where you dump your tanks. The cool thing about this is you have 2 levers, one for your black, one for your gray, but they all go to the one pipe. You can see here we have a slide, which I'll show you on the inside where this is at, but this is the living room area that pops out on the slide. Okay. Lots of windows. Here's the other side of the storage. This is the pass-through storage you saw just a little bit earlier. You can see it goes right through. We also have our fill freshwater tank, city water, cable again, outside faucet area to hook up to a hose. We're gonna go inside now, but before we do, I want you to notice this nice grab handle to get up and down, and this is also a 4-season RV, which is amazing for those of us who want to actually camp in the cold. He's got this nice screen door that opens all the way out. All right, let's go in, guys. First, I just want to show you the kind of entire layout before we get into the details. We have the bedroom, the living area, the kitchen, there's a bathroom beyond that, and then the dining area. One of the things that I love when you first come in is a place to put your shoes so they're not all in the way. You can put them underneath so that you don't get mud on your floor. We have our, of course, fire extinguisher here. So the first thing we have here is our bedroom. We have a ton of storage in here. It's one of the things that I've learned about Grand Design is they put a lot of storage in their rigs. So we have the storage over here on the side, storage above, also on the other side of the bed. This is a queen size bed that's recessed in to the front part of the RV. This is one storage where you can hang all of your clothes. We have more storage down here. These are nice deep storage containers. We have an area here for you to plug in your USB and also your AC powered plugs. I love that it has those two lights over there where you can use to read, relax. On the other side here, we have the same type of storage that we saw on the other side. So we have single pane windows here with these blackout shades. One thing too that I love about this is the color scheme. They really did a good job on the color scheme where it's not complete brown, brown, brown everywhere. It blends really nicely with a bunch of different variations of natural colors. We have this curtain here that goes all the way across around the bedroom area to seal it off, get some privacy. And over here we have our living area. We have two nice recliners that pop out. Very, very comfortable. We have our cup holders as well. 3 cup holders all in one. We have additional windows here. One thing that I love about this area too is it's very well lit. We have lots of light. We have lots of windows. Okay. This area right here, you can see is on the slide. So that's the slide right down there that pulls in when you're ready to travel. But that whole living area, refrigerator, stove, everything is on the slide. All right, so as we continue on, we've got this huge nomadic refrigerator. Nice freezer, very large. Our refrigerator, again, very, very large, especially compared to mine in the van. We have our High Point microwave here with additional storage for your pantry items. We have this 3-burner stove. I love that it has the glass top that you can pull back. Very, very nice grate here. It's like you can hear the metal on it. It's not one of those little wires, so it kind of feels like a residential stove that you would have at home. Plus you have an oven. It's not extremely big, but it'll do the job. Over here we have 3 other drawers for storage. These are nice deep drawers as well. And you can hear it lock. Hear that? It's not going anywhere. Another drawer for more storage for your utensils and other items. We have a big storage under here as well for pots and pans. That's all under the oven. So you can see how deep that is. Again, just lots of storage that Grand Design has implemented in their RVs. So we have a nice big counter space here. You have a really nice area to prep over here. Still, again, more storage. These are really big and deep, as you can see. Another one. Little spice rack area here. We have some under the sink storage. Not a lot, but it does the job. Okay. The sink here is one big deep sink, and it also has this little draining board that you can put your dishes on to drain, and it just rolls. Get this out here. So it's nice. I like the little rubber tips. It keeps it from rattling around, and that's really sturdy. A nice gooseneck faucet. You can also pull on the hose to direct the water wherever you want. Lots of lighting again under here and windows. We have more storage in the kitchen for all of your kitchen items, all your cups, your mugs, your plates, bowls. It's really deep in there too. Another one over here. He even has his Berkey Lake filter, water filter sitting right here. At the top here, just above the kitchen, you see a Max air fan. Really, really nice because it's covered. You can keep this open whenever it's raining and it's not going to close up on you. Okay. Moving around to the bathroom, we have this sliding pocket door. Goes back and forth for some privacy. Lighting. Alright, you'll notice that the shower is really, really large. We got a nice skylight over here. It's very, very big. Nice shower pan. And I love that you can just have the separate shower, which of course I don't have in my van. Shower head's really nice with little on-off buttons. You can take a military shower. We have obviously our mirror here, the vanity area where you can keep your toiletries. So we got all of that here. More storage. Looks like a place to put your towels and other little items. We have this nice vanity too here. I love that the bowl is not too big and you have this area, this work surface if you will, to put your toiletries on, put your makeup on. We also have more storage in here. You can have access to your water lines. I mean, again, just tons and tons of storage. Okay, our toilet is a ceramic toilet with a foot push. And we have some towel bars up here as well to hang your towels. And we have another fan up here as well. Here we have our control for the furnace and AC. More storage coming around to the living room area. You can use it for pantry items. More storage here. Just really nice deep drawers. Okay. Coming around to the dinette area, we've got this beautiful dinette. Two big, large bench seats and this beautiful table. I love how secure this is. It's not really moving. You can see how stable it is down below with this big pole. He added this cute little light here, this lamp. Then we have our entertainment center. Really nice large TV. And what's cool about this is you can sit over here in your chairs or from your bed and watch TV. It's a little bit more difficult if you're in the dinette trying to watch TV from here. There's a mirror over on this side. And then your entertainment control center right there. It has a one control system, which is really nice. You can access all of this via an app. So much different than the RVs that I've owned. You can see he has lighting, water pump, water heater. It tells him what his fullness level is for each. So fresh tank, black tank, gray tank right there. He's got his awning controls and slide controls here as well. The AC is a Coleman Mach AC. It's all ducted as well. We've got speakers in here. One thing I want to point out too is the floor space. There's a ton of floor space here, which is something I'm definitely looking for. And he added this little box here so that his little pups can jump up on the bed, which Lily would definitely need to. Overall, I really, really love this place. I love the colors. I love the space. It just seems really, really efficient. And I don't know, maybe the 22 is what I'm looking for. There's also a 17-foot one that I'm going to be looking at as well. That'll come up in a separate video. But Grand Design, they did really well. All right, guys, that is the Grand Design 22 MLE. Let me know how you like this. It's probably a lot better than those big old fifth wheels I was showing you guys before, but I just wanted to see the contrast to something that was really large versus something that was a little bit smaller than this. So this is more to my liking, but let me know in the comments what you think about this one, or if you have any other trailers that you think might be suitable for me as I'm doing my research. So thank you guys so much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified every single time that I come out with a video. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.